So that's a pretty big size container, in my opinion. This is like a really nice size container. This has turmeric in it. It's gonna help with brightening. This is what it looks like when you first get it. So when you first get it, you're gonna go ahead and pull this open. Okay, and then you have this little tool here to pull them out. They actually have kind of a yellowish, orangish tint to them, which I didn't realize it would have, so that's cool. And then once you have it out, there's two sides. There's a bumpier side and a less bumpy side. So you can start with one side, and I like to do just kind of gentle circles on my face. This feels really nice. It's not abrasive. It's very soothing. And then after you've done your whole face, and don't forget to do your neck, you can actually flip it over. So now I'm gonna take the other side of it, and look at all that makeup I've gotten off. I actually had some makeup on earlier. So this does work as a makeup remover too, I find. You can use the other side as well. And then when you're done, you can throw it away. So you can see it's got all that dirt on it, toss that, and you're ready to use it again. So you can use these morning or night. So when you're done, you can put the little tweezers that it comes with back at the top, and you're set. So I like to use this as the first part of a skincare routine, some toner pads, and these ones are really cool because it has the kojic acid in it, and it has the turmeric to help with brightening your skin.